Meaning of heavenly.
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 Heavenly. The term heavenly refers to something that relates to or comes from heaven, the celestial realm regarded as the dwelling place of God and other divine beings. When used to describe something in everyday language, it suggests that it is supremely excellent, transcendent, and divine in nature. It conveys a sense of beauty, purity, or spiritual significance. For example, a person might describe a piece of music as having a heavenly melody, or a dessert as having a heavenly taste. Overall, the term heavenly emphasizes the highest possible level of excellence and goodness.